Welcome to our channel. If you accidentally deleted important files, follow this quick guide to attempt recovery before data is permanently overwritten. Step 1. Stop using the device immediately to prevent new data from overwriting the deleted file's storage space, which makes recovery more difficult or impossible. Step 2. Check your recycle bin, Windows, or trash, Mac first, as deleted files often remain there until permanently removed or the bin is emptied. Step 3. Restore files from Recycle Bin by right-clicking the file and selecting Restore to return it to its original location on your computer. Step 4. If files aren't in Recycle Bin, check cloud backup services like OneDrive, Google Drive, iCloud, or Dropbox, which often retain deleted files for 30 days. Step 5. Use Windows File History or Mac Time Machine if you had these backup features enabled before deletion to restore previous versions of files. Step 6. Download reputable file recovery software like Recuva, Windows, or Disk Drill, Mac, to scan your hard drive for recoverable deleted files. Step 7. Run the recovery software Deep Scan, which may take several hours, but significantly increases chances of finding and recovering deleted files. Step 8. Save recovered files to a different drive or external storage device to prevent overwriting other potentially recoverable data on the original drive. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.